Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix payday free matchmaking error on PC, connection error or something like that. Right, so first of all, you just need to open up your browser and then you just need to go to payday free Twitter page, and then you need to look if their servers is not down. So probably it will be the post here that's saying servers is on maintenance or something like that. So you need to look if the servers is payday free servers is not down. And when you make sure that the server is not down, then you need to check your internet speed test. So you just go to fast.com and check your internet speed test. And if you're having good internet speed, you're good to go. You can proceed with the next step. But if you don't, maybe restart your internet, limit some devices or something like that to increase your internet speed, because sometimes it can cause the problem. And if still the problem persists, then what you need to do here, you need to open up cmd or command prompt and run as administrator. And here you need to write ipconfig/flush DNS. And after that, you need to put another command, nesh winsock reset. And after that, restart your computer, and then you need to look if the problem persists. And still, if the problem persists, then you need to go to open up settings, and then you need to go to and open up a network and internet, and then select advanced network settings. Then you need to look for more network adapter options, locate your internet and disable it for a few seconds and enable again. Then right click and then go to properties. Then make sure that internet protocol version 6 is disabled and double click on internet protocol version 4. And then on this option here, select use the following DNS server addresses, and on preferred DNS server you need to write 8.8.8.8, and on alternate DNS server you need to write 8.8.4.4. apply the changes and restart your computer, then try the game. And if this doesn't work, then just go in game settings and then try to disable crossplay if it's enabled for you, and if it's not, and if it's basically disabled, try to enable crossplay. All right, and that's pretty much it. So if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.